Hello, warm welcome back to my channel, Dr.Sirisha's Management Lectures. In this video, we'll try to understand the strategies that you can follow to improve your emotional intelligence. Okay, let us see what all we can really do to improve our emotional intelligence. The first one is slowing down. Slow down, just as in when you have to react to others' reaction or others' statements or others' situations. Then take a moment whenever you are experiencing a very strong emotion. Take a moment. Do not jump to, jump to a reaction. Do not just like that react. Slow down. Try to reflect. Try to emotionally calm down. Try to be. You can choose your response if you slow down for a moment. So that is one thing I think which we all can practice. Okay. Also, stick to your values and ethics. Stick to your standards. Whatever values you set for yourselves, whatever ethics you follow, whatever standards you fix for yourself, stand by them. Okay. Do not let them go. Do not let the situations conquer them, or do not compromise with your standards and ethics and values, because that makes you more charged, that makes you more of an authentic person, and that also gives you easier, that also makes your reactions and responses easier, because you already have a fixed set of values and standards that you follow at any cost. Okay, that makes things easy for you, right? Also, hold yourself accountable. Do not just blame others for whatever mistakes or whatever bad impacts or whatever negative results that you come up with. Even in your workplace or in your personal life, whenever something goes wrong, just don't jump and don't be so quick in blaming others. Take the responsibility as per your role. Okay, try to hold yourself accountable, try to be more authentic. Okay, that improves your emotional intelligence, that makes you a better person. Okay, taking responsibility and holding ourselves accountable for whatever be the results, especially when things go wrong, then we are so quick to blame others, place the blame on others. Don't do that. Practice being accountable. Okay. Also, practice being calm. Train your mind to be calm. You can learn being calm. You can consciously keep telling your mind, keep giving continuous suggestions, continuous instructions to your mind to stay calm, especially in tough situations, in rough situations. Don't be so fast in showing your emotion, showing your reaction. And if you can practice that consciously, if you give instructions to your mind, constant suggestions to your mind to be calm, it will remain calm. Basically, you have to be the master of your mind. You have to be the master of your emotions. And you can train your mind to follow your instructions. You cannot let it act on its own. Okay? Then remember why you started. There will be definitely tough times. There will be definitely challenging times. We feel like lost many times. Then we have to remember, you have to remember why you started whatever you have started in the first place. Be it your job, be it your business, be it your passion, be it your hobby, whatever, be it learning a new thing. There will be challenges. Challenges are part and parcel of our journey. Try to accept that. Try to remember that. And you always try to remember the reasons why you have started, what you have wished for, why you were motivated in the first place in starting or in doing whatever you are doing. Okay, that makes you more charged person emotionally. Okay, and find the good. Try to find the good in everything you do, everyone you come across. There will be at least one good quality in everybody. There will be at least one positive outcome in every situation. Try to focus on that. That gives you more power to overcome more negative impacts or negative emotions. Okay, watch body language, because non-verbal communication communicates a lot more than what you verbally say. That is the real essence of communication, because when we always do not speak our mind because of so many inhibitions, so many situations. We do not always speak our mind, but our body language speaks volumes. Try to notice the body language of others when they are, saying something harsh to you. Okay, don't stick to the words that they speak. Try to make out sense of their body language. Try to understand their frustration. Try to empathize. Okay, that makes you more intelligent emotionally, right? Also, empower yourself with conflict resolution strategies. When you are dealing with people, try to empower yourself. Try to learn the conflict resolution strategies. Try to be equipped with those armor so that you feel empowered whenever you are dealing with conflicts. You have to be knowing what you are supposed to do. You have to be understanding the different options available, different strategies that you can adopt to resolve the conflicts with your people, right? Improve your communication. We cannot stress the importance of communication enough in how many lessons or how many lectures we make. Communication is everything. And here what you need to understand is both verbal and non-verbal communication. That is important. Okay, even if you are trying to communicate something negative, try to do it in a much better fashion so that the other person's emotions are not hurt, the other person's ego is not hurt. Try to convey the essence in a better way, in a more polished way. That will help you restore your relations forever, and these strategies will make you more emotionally intelligent. Okay, thank you.